Researchers at University Hospital Southampton have appealed for healthy volunteers to take part in trials of a potential vaccine against the coronavirus. It could be underway later this week.
Trials for a vaccine which could protect against COVID-19 is set to begin across Southampton. Around 500 healthy volunteers will take part in the study.
We actually need to be able to see, as well as the safety and the immunology, and whether the vaccine's boosting the immune system against COVID, but also whether it's working as the lockdown ends to actually stop people getting COVID.
So when the lungs experience a viral attack, the cells in the lining of the lung produce this protein naturally, and it helps the immune system coordinate a response to that virus.
Professor Tom Wilkinson oversaw the clinical trial. He says if the findings are replicated in a larger study, it could be a game changer.
We were lucky enough to be in a position, because of my previous research, to start a trial for COVID point of care testing in our emergency departments and medical admissions units. We're now moved into using that test as a routine diagnostic in our acute areas.
And on the coronavirus trial, the 600 patients in Southampton, I'd just like to thank them very much.
Well, my message is the same, which is thank you very much, because the way that vaccines are going to come through this is obviously through clinical trials now.
It's not just vaccine trials, it's all trials. And actually Southampton has a real record of citizens taking part in trials, in studies, and this is the way medicine progresses, not just for coronavirus, but generally. So an enormous thank you for the whole of what people do to volunteer.